Handy Hudsonite here. Do you want to cut the ties to your ISP or your internet service provider? Well, I'm going to show you a cable modem that has been a great addition to our home that will give you fast speeds and will be dependable, and I'm going to show it to you right after this. Internet service providers like Comcast, also known as Xfinity or CenturyLink, and there's dozens of different types of ISPs that we have around the country and around the world that provide our connection to the internet. And a lot of them will try to sell you their own cable modems and sometimes Wi-Fi routers or a combo of both. But is this the best option for you? Well, for some, it might be a good option. The advantages of having one from them directly is if anything goes wrong, they will service it or replace it. But you do have to incur an ongoing cost to rent the equipment from them. Now, what's another way around this is to buy your own cable modem and your own Wi-Fi router. And I've been very pleased with Motorola brand cable modems, and I recently upgraded to another cable modem. Even though this is a cable modem that's been on the market for a while, it's not as fast as the top of the line ones, but it's a great modem and it's good on your budget. It doesn't cost as much as the newer ones, and it's going to give you still a lot of streaming quality and a lot of broadband for your home for a number of different devices. And the modem is the Motorola. The model is MB7220, MB7220, and this is an 8x4 cable modem. It's they now have 8x8s and even more, so it's not going to have as many channels on it as some of the newer ones, but we have a number of devices here in our home. We have a TV that streams from it, multiple phones, laptops, tablets, and it still does great for us. And I can't show you the actual modem because it's connected to my internet right now, but this has been a great dependable modem for us that does not have any offline issues at this point. It's been one that was easy to set up. We pretty much just plugged it in, and then we have Xfinity, so we just went into our app to set up the modem. Xfinity provides an easy experience to set up a new cable modem. Sometimes it can be tricky because it has to pick up a new external IP. Sometimes you might need to call into support if it's not being recognized by your ISP. And of course, this plugs into our Wi-Fi router and works well with that. And I'm going to put links to both the cable modem and our Wi-Fi router down in the description. Make sure to check out our Wi-Fi router video, a router that we really have enjoyed. But the cable modem is your main gateway to the internet, to your ISP. So you want to make sure that you have a good quality one in place. And if you have one that you've had for a long time, you want to make sure to get it upgraded, and this is a great upgrade option for you. And this one also features, and now it shows that it can get up to 343 megabits per second, 4-channel bonding for upload speeds. And now again, it's not an 8-channel or 16-channel, but it's one that works great. It has the DOCSIS 3.0, so it's still a very powerful contender for a cable modem, even though it's not the newer top of the line ones. But it's great if you're on a budget. We had to replace ours, and I didn't want to spend a lot of money on it, so it's been a great solution for us. So I hope this has been helpful. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, The Handy Hudsonite, for more tips, hacks, and reviews so that you can get the job done. And don't forget that notification bell so that you can get content as it goes up. And I'll look forward to seeing you in the next video.